Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday appealed to the Muslim leaders to judge him on the basis of his actions and performance, not by what his opponents have been saying about him. Modi made the plea to a 30-member delegation of Muslim clergy and professionals as part of his outreach towards the community. Minister of State for Minority Affairs Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi was present at the meeting. Modi assured his government would fulfill the commitment for social and economic upliftment of 125 crore Indians and ensure their security, sources said. The meeting came a day after the PM warned BJP members from spreading communal hatred, acknowledging that provocative comments made by some of his party colleagues were totally uncalled for and declaring that religious freedom and non-discrimination are non-negotiable. Sources said, during the meeting, Modi said politics of majority and minority has caused a lot of damage to the country and asserted that employment and development are solutions to all problems and he is focused on delivering them. The PM said he neither believes in politics which seeks to divide people on communal lines, nor will he ever speak the communal language. Responding to concerns that Muslims were not getting benefits of several schemes, the PM assured that his government is aware of the problems faced by the community and will work towards their empowerment. The delegation members said the Muslim community had rejected politics of vote banks and is interested in development, a PMO statement said. The members appreciated Modi's leadership over the last 1 year and said they wanted to forge a partnership for progress and development, it added. The gathering included Dr. Parvez Ahmad, noted heart specialist and son of former President Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, Dr. Aslam Parvez Ahmad, Principal Zakir Hussain College, Professor Abdul Halim Khan, Chairman Girls College Indore, Professor Qazi Ubaid ur Rahman, Jamia Millia Islamia, Maulana Kalbe Rashid Shia Alim-e-Din and Maulana Zakir Hussain, Tabligh-e-Jamaat. The PM also spoke of the initiatives in skill development undertaken by the central government and the work done by him as Gujarat CM in fields such as education of the girl child and revival of the kite industry. The leaders congratulated the PM for his vision of Muslim youths with Quran in one hand and computer in the other. They also congratulated him for the country's success in adoption of International Day of Yoga by the United Nations.